Alright.
Screw and screws with my mind. Be awesome.
It's mind power.
I'm shadowing everything.
No, it was fine. This thing's not the best camera in the world anyway. Okay, we got our RAM in here now, and this awesome manual doesn't tell you what slots are the right slots. They just give you numbers and say put them in these. So that's kind of cool, because colors does not mean anything.
So here's these 4 slots, right? We got to put them in 3 and 4. These slots are 1 through 4. That's as much information
As it gives you.
This could be 1. This could be 1. This could be 1. This could be 1.
We don't know.
2, 3, 4.
It doesn't tell you. So we're hopefully going to be right on this by guessing, because it's the same color. That's what we're going by. We're going by the same color rule and hoping that it's right.
I think generally furthest away from the motherboard usually was the...
I'm pretty sure that's true.
I don't know now.
Yeah, I'm not sure now either. I'd have to go read my manual from other one. Remember, I have it completely full of RAM, so it doesn't matter which one I put it in, because they're all full anyway.
Yeah.
But anyway, now on to the next step. Alright, got the computer mostly built now. Gotta do some cable management still, but now it's about time to see if this thing will boot up at least. Okay, first boot attempt.
Bayou.
40 degrees. Might want to reseat that CPU cooler again. I think it should be better than that. So, yeah. Alright, let's see if the reset button works. Yep. Yep. Alright, now it's time to install Windows. Okay, we got Windows installing now. So, I'll just probably be cutting in and out in between windows here. And all of the front stuff works. Well, I don't know if the headphone and microphone jack work yet, but obviously both of the USB in the front here do. Although you probably can't see that, so why don't we go ahead and turn a little light on. There we go. Hard drive light works. I know the reset switch works. Power switch works. And I know that that lights up, so that's good too. It is very silent. This is exactly what I was going for. Alright, Windows is starting up for the first time. So far, everything seems to be going good. Yep, completing installation. Well, you can't really see for anything from where I was, but completing installation. We're good. Alright, now we're just installing some drivers, for the first time. Alright, do I want to restart my computer? Okay. Alright, let's see how long it takes this thing to start up, or shut down and start up. And there we go. That's pretty quick. Alright, well, now I'm going to just continue installing drivers, and I guess I'll put the camera back on as soon as I finish doing everything.